there, welcome to my channel. My name is Marcella and today I have a fun video for you guys. I'm doing a tutorial and a first impression review in one. Hello doggies. Yeah, I'm doing a couple of videos I guess within one. I'm gonna do a spring look, you know, inspired by just really Mother's Day, and I'm also going to show you Avon's new Mother's Day collection. So it's a collection with various kind of self-care products, but today I'm specifically going to be talking about 3 of the makeup products within the line. So they came out with a primer, so, you know, for the face to put on before your foundation, an eyeshadow palette, and then also a blush highlighter palette. So all super, super beautiful. I currently have them on the face and I am so obsessed, guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see them. But first, let's talk about this beautiful packaging of this collection. Oh, and this is limited edition, so just keep that in mind. Here is the packaging. It is so, so gorgeous. As you guys can see, it has like a really, really pretty, just like ethereal vibe to it. I'm so obsessed with it. I love it when Avon comes out with like, you know, any type of holiday product and the packaging is just gorgeous. So I'm obsessed with this. And then obviously I'm going to talk about each product more in depth later on in the tutorial. But before we move on, I just want to remind you that if this is your first time watching my videos, I do come out with videos every single week. So I love, love, love Avon. I am an Avon representative and I come out with tutorials, reviews, and if you're an Avon representative watching this, I come out with training videos as well to help you grow and boost your business. So go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel and make sure that you give this video a like so that you can watch more videos from me. But now let's go ahead and learn a little bit more about these 3 beautiful products and just get a full face of Avon makeup. Alrighty guys, so I have my hair pulled back and I'm so excited to try out these new products from Avon, all about Mother's Day and just the new Mother's Day collection. So here we have the Caress Me Cashmere Skin Perfecting Primer Cushion. I'm using the Caress Me Cashmere Multi Palette, so this one's nice and pretty in pink. And then we have the Caress Me Cashmere Eyeshadow Palette. So I'm really excited to use this eyeshadow palette. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get started. I currently only have a moisturizer on my skin. It is a gel moisturizer, so I'm going to pull my hair back and you guys can see I have a little mic here. I'm testing this out to see how it goes. I just feel like my sound needs to get a little bit better, so I'm hoping with this mic it will get better. So guys, when I show you this packaging, you're going to be like, oh my god, look how pretty that is. It has a beautiful rose front and center, so it is 3D. It pops out a little bit from the packaging if you guys can see that, and it's like this gorgeous peach color, so like perfect for Mother's Day. So this is a luxurious cushion primer that's going to help your complexion as it creates a smooth, luminous finish, and it's infused with precious camellia extract known for anti-aging and antioxidant benefits, and this creamy moisturizing formula preps skin as it visibly brightens, blurs pores and fine lines, and helps to improve makeup wear. So this also does come with an applicator, so I'm going to use it as it comes, and I'm going to use it with the applicator. So as you guys know, this is a first impression. Like, I've obviously seen these products before, but this is my first time using them. So there's a little thing that you click here. I'm just obsessed with like this gold packaging. I think it looks so luxe and gorgeous and perfect for Mother's Day. So you go ahead and open it up. It's a beautiful compact, and guys, look at that mirror. Hello, I can see the camera. But it comes with a nice size mirror, which I love. Here is that applicator. So you pull it right out, and then if you open this up, here is where product is. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. So if you guys have seen Avon makeup in the past, you know that this is not a first for Avon having cushion products. I'm actually gonna be using our cushion bronzer later on, and I have a whole review on that, so I will leave that link down below. But I love our cushion products. I'm really curious if it's gonna leave like any type of tint to the skin, but I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, I'm gonna use a little applicator. So I'm just literally pushing it in to the product, and it does pick up super nicely. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pat it in. So you guys can see it kind of goes on super light, but it blends in really, really nicely. So it does blend in pretty nice, but I do have a pretty light skin tone at the moment. You know, come summertime, skin tone does become a little bit darker, you know, just from being under the sun. So I'm really curious how this will work when I am a little bit tanner. So I do wonder if you are a darker skin tone, if this will blend in really nice into the skin. But like I said, for now, it does work really well. And I do feel like it hid a lot of my pores. Like it just blurred those pores. Yeah, it leaves like a nice sheen to the skin too. And it doesn't feel like tacky or sticky or anything. So I am gonna go ahead and open up this palette. Before I do though, you guys know I always prime my eyes. So I'm going in with the VDL Expert Color Primer for Eyes. And I'm just using the original one. So this one has no really color to it at all. It has maybe a little bit of like a pinky purple undertone, but you're gonna see once I blend it in, like it literally leaves no type of color. So as you guys see, I just go ahead and blend it in with my finger. So now let's go into the palette. So eyes are primed. I am thinking that I am going to do a smoky liner with this dark brown eyeshadow. Maybe I'll do this one. I don't know. We'll see what I'm feeling. But for all over the lid, I am just going to go ahead with this like pinky tone over here. I'm just going to grab a fluffy brush to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and pat it in. So it's giving me a really, really pretty like light pink color. So I'll be honest, with past Avon eyeshadows, it's kind of like a category for Avon makeup that's never really excited me, and you guys know I'm always really honest with you guys. Now their liquid eyeshadows I've loved, but their like powder eyeshadows I've just never really been a major fan. There's one shade that I found in one of their palettes that I think are now they're now no longer available, that I love. Like it's a shade that I freaking love, but beyond that, like there's really nothing that's ever really excited me. But this one, I can already tell I'm gonna really love it. I'm just gonna go ahead, dip my brush in there, and start lining. What do you guys think? Like so subtle, but I love how pigmented it is. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish the other eye, and then I'll meet you right back here. Alrighty guys, well here we are. Like I showed you guys earlier, we did a winged liner all with eyeshadow, and I use this reddish brown eyeshadow. Guys, I am so obsessed. I wanted a soft look, and this eyeliner definitely gave me a nice soft look. And guys, I'm obsessed with this palette. Like I said, it brings 6 gorgeous matte shades, and like I mentioned earlier, this is definitely one of the better eyeshadow palettes that Avon has put out. And I know later this year they're coming out with more shadows, and if they're the same quality as this, I am so excited to see what those eyeshadows bring in the different shades. So this is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. I love it so much. I definitely want to start playing around with that pink. Like pink is an eyeshadow that I honestly have never really played around with, and I definitely think it's going to be perfect for spring. So keep an eye out. I'll probably do some more looks with this palette because I'm really obsessed. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara. I'm using my go-to mascara, the Avon True Color Love at First Lash Mascara. Alrighty, so now that mascara is done, we're going to move on to the rest of the face. I am going in with the Magic's Tint Tinted Moisturizer in Natural. This is a new tinted moisturizer that Avon has released. Guys, I am obsessed with it. I have a whole review and wear test video. I will link it down below. Actually, I'm not sure which video is going to come out first. I'm thinking the Magic's Tint one will come out first, but regardless, I'll make sure I link it down below. So make sure you check that out. So I'm going in with the shade Light, and again, this is a tinted moisturizer. If you're somebody that likes more of a softer look and you want very light makeup, you're gonna love this tinted moisturizer. So you guys see, I just applied some to my sponge, and I'm just patting it in. You always want to make sure your sponge is wet. This is my personal favorite way of applying any type of liquid foundation, is with a wet sponge. I just feel like it blends so well into my skin. See, and the reason why I like applying my foundation after my eyeshadow is because I feel like I can easily clean up anything. So you guys see how I just like cleaned up that wing? I did that all just by going straight across like this with my sponge, and I feel like it cleaned it up really nice. So do you guys see that? Like, this is a tinted moisturizer. It feels so light on the skin, but it gives me amazing coverage. Like, what? Now I'm going in with the Cashmere Complexion Longwear Concealer. Love this concealer. I am using the shade Tart. apart. So I am gonna just go in, I'll put in a little bit right there into each corner of the eye, and then to really lift the eye, just a little bit right there. See, then I'll put some down the nose, on the chin, and a little bit up here. So what I like to do is I will take my Belief X VDL Glow Moist Fix and Mist spray, and then I will take my sponge and just spray the sponge a little bit. And I find this really helps with the foundation just looking nice and dewy, and I just feel like it really blends nicely into the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead, spray it one more time, and this time to go under the eyes. Look at how that just like nicely blends under the eye, and it really like lifts that area up. I'm gonna go ahead and set under the eyes. I'm gonna do that off camera because I left all that stuff at my makeup station. I'm gonna set under the eyes, I'm gonna do my brows, and then we will come right back. So let's go ahead and add some bronzer. So I'm using the FMG Colors of Love Sun Kissed Cushion Bronzer in Morning Sunflower. So I mentioned I have a whole review video on this, but I love this foundation, especially come summertime. It is just gorgeous on the skin. So I like to go in with a sponge, and I'm gonna go ahead and just literally pounce it kind of in there. And you guys see how big this is? Like, this brings so much product. I'm gonna go ahead, pounce that in there, and then just apply it to my cheeks. Okay, you see how that just adds like a really nice glow? And it's not like too much. Obviously I can layer it up if I really want to, but I just want to keep it like super subtle. Now I am going to go ahead and move on to the last makeup product of this collection, and it is the multi palette. So it comes in the pretty pink box. Let's go ahead and open this guy up and see what it looks like. So it comes in this black matte packaging, same thing as the eyeshadow. If we open it up, it's a really pretty assortment of blush and highlighter. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not gonna use this brush that it comes with. I'm sure it works really great, but I just have a blush brush that I already love, and it is from Morphe. It's their E4 brush. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with this. I'm gonna mix it and see the look that it gives me. So let's go ahead and get it in there. That looks so pretty and soft, guys. Exactly what I want for summer and spring. It's really pretty. I'm gonna stop there because if I keep applying more, it's gonna be a little too much. I am extremely impressed. Like, I definitely see a difference in quality from past Avon products, and this makes me so excited as a representative. I love seeing that the quality is really just there, and it's getting better and better, I feel like, every single year with Avon. But that is the look. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna apply my mascara on my bottom lashes, I'll apply a lip, and then I will see you very soon. Alrighty guys, well there you have it. Please remember, if you are interested in any of these products, check out the description box down below. And remember, all of those Mother's Day products are limited edition. So if you are interested in those, remember you can ship those out to mom too. So, you know, you can purchase it on my online store and get it shipped directly to, you know, whoever that mother figure is in your life. Also, if this is your very first time shopping with me, remember that I can send you some coupon codes. So I'm gonna leave a form down below that you can go ahead and fill out. I'm just gonna ask you for your first, last name, email, and your birthday, so I can send you some special coupons on your birthday, and you can get a free gift with your purchase, a percentage off, and free shipping. So make sure you fill out that form down below. Let me know if you had any questions or any comments down below as well, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye.